Say goodbye to the frustration of switching your old ball mounts every time you change towing applications. The XTP receiver ball mounts and ball mount kits from UltraTow are available in multiple sizes to fit almost all of your towing needs. The XTP ball mounts fit into 2-inch and 1 1/4-inch receivers, and you can use it with any flat wrench hitch ball. It also features a built-in lock rail system, which allows you to tighten or loosen the hitch ball using a single wrench. The rugged steel construction is finished with the XTP 2-coat system, which includes an E-coat base with black powder coat finish for exceptional rust resistance. The exclusive channel system guides away moisture to resist rust seize-up and prevent the hitch from rusting to the receiver, making the hitch easy to remove when not in use. Add extra functionality to your truck with any of these XTP receiver ball mounts or ball mount kits from UltraTow.